Enterprises are quietly walking away from the most expensive AI models, and the data proves it. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, August 14th, 2026. In AI News today, Ramp just dropped spending data that should make every frontier AI lab nervous. Across roughly 70,000 business customers, the median company spends just $11 per employee per month on AI tools. Even the top 1% max out at $7,500. Anthropic leads adoption, but its priciest model captures only 6% of token spend. Enterprises are getting smarter and cheaper about AI. Also from Google, Android is getting a fundamental redesign, and it's not about apps anymore. Google's Android president, Samir Samat, says the platform is moving to an agent-centric model. That means Gemini intelligence handling complex tasks, automating apps on your behalf, and a new keyboard feature called Rambler that converts your raw voice thoughts into clean, ready-to-send text. Your phone is becoming your personal AI assistant. In AI news today, Anthropic's investors are swinging for the fences. Reports say they're targeting a $2 trillion valuation for an October IPO, one of the largest public market debuts in tech history. To put that in perspective, that would place Anthropic above most of the world's most valuable companies. Investors are betting that frontier AI labs aren't just software companies, they're the next industrial infrastructure. Also from DeepSeek, the Chinese AI lab keeps pushing open source tooling forward. They've just released DeepSeek Harness, an open source framework for building, running, and evaluating AI agents now available in developer preview. If you're a developer trying to ship autonomous agent pipelines, this hands you a battle-tested scaffold for free. DeepSeek is making it cheaper and faster to build the next wave of AI applications. And finally, Mistral is making a strategic pivot. The French AI company is opening its inference platform to third-party open-weight models, starting with Z.AI, SGLM 5.2, which packs a 1 million token context window. Mistral is no longer just a model maker. It's becoming an open AI cloud. This puts direct pressure on closed platforms and could reshape where developers choose to run open-source models. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about enterprise AI cost discipline shift in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.